The current trend of halting DEIAB initiative is deeply concerning. It threatens to erode hard-won progress and leaves marginalized groups more vulnerable. These issues are rooted in social determinants like poverty, unequal access to healthcare and education, racism, and structural inequities. How can you be part of the solution? So, how 4 steps. Acknowledge the issue. Recognize that racism exists and has real consequences. Initiate conversations. Don't be afraid to talk about race, even if it's uncomfortable. Start small with trusted friends or colleagues. So hopefully in this environment that as of today's event is something that you can replicate in your community or just speak with your, again, a close trusted friend. Cultivate a new way of thinking. Challenge your own biases and assumptions. Seek out diverse perspectives. Next one, take action. In a moment, I will share more. Here are some concrete actions we can take. Support organizations combating poverty and systemic racism. Research local and national organizations doing this work. Advocate for policies promoting economic justice and equal opportunity. Contact your representatives. Engage in constructive dialogue, even with those who disagree. Seek to understand their perspective, even if you don't agree. Volunteer time to support community initiatives. Find local organizations addressing needs in your area, and become a mentor. Share your knowledge and experience with others. My personal commitments have been on health equity, food security, and homelessness, volunteering at food pantries and warming centers. Each experience has expanded my understanding and tolerance and reinforced the importance of this work. Let's leverage our influence and use other platforms and use our platforms to create dialogue about equity and inclusion. Let's lift up the voices of those who are marginalized. Working together, our collective efforts will make a difference. This is an important part, and I would like you to really take this to heart. It takes courage to be part of the solution, and it won't go unnoticed. And your contributions, even seemingly small ones, matter. Your words and action can be the permission others need to speak up. You can inspire and give hope and lead by example.